Natural? Who is she? We don't know her.
El lunes, vamos a bailarlo, vamos a hacerlo. It's Ricky Baker on the beat,
Es difícil disimular lo que pasa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Deborah. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a bunch of Il Makiage's products. And Il Makiage is a new indie luxury makeup brand, and their messaging really speaks to me because they have slogans like more is more, and there's no such thing as too much, which really just speaks to my soul. Like, I'm a maximalist, as some of you may know if you've been watching my videos for a minute. And so, I just love a brand that is unapologetic about, being high maintenance. So anyways, I will say that Il Makiage did send me all these products, but they did say that I didn't have to post any content unless I truly liked them. So if you are watching this video, that means I liked the products that I'm showing you guys. So, I did already put foundation and brows on, as I'm sure you can freaking tell. I have a glitter in my head. And so, for foundation, I used the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation in 50. And I used the Il Makiage BFF Perfecting Concealer in the shade 03, or just 3. And on my brows, I have the Il Makiage Brow Pen in brown on. But for the sake of time, I figured we would just concentrate on eyes and, contour, lips, because we've all seen someone put foundation on before. So I'm gonna go do an eye off camera, and I'll be right back so we can get right into this tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I have this eye completely done, and today we're using the Il Makiage Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Squad. I don't know why I said the whole entire name, but this one is in The Real Deal, and it looks like these. So let's just get right into this look, shall we? We shall. We are going to start off this look with the color Keep Rolling, shade right here. And we're going to take that in on a Smith 232 brush, and we're just going to use that as our transition shade. And concentrate the color in the outer corner to start, and then when there's a little bit less product on the brush, bring it into the inner corner. And then start to wing it out towards the end over here. As you can see, we've got a very big wing over here. This look kind of took on a life of its own. I wasn't exactly intending to wing it out like that, but, things happen. Okay, now that we've got that color laid down, we are going to go in with the color No Bullshit. And we're going to take that in on a Smith 247 brush. And we're going to keep this color a little lower in the crease, just a little bit lower, just to start getting some really nice definition in here. And then as you see on this side, we have it winged out. We're going to wing it out on this side as well, of course. We do need the sides to match, darling. And we are also going to go in with a Smith E45 brush. Just it's a little bit more stiff, so we'll be able to get a little bit more of that wing shape going. And take it under here to start creating that V, and then take it up. Go back and forth to make sure that your sides are matching. Now that we've got that wing shape sketched out, we can go back in with the color Keep Rolling on our Smith 232 just to soften everything up and make sure it's all blended nicely. And we're gonna go back in with the color No Bullshit on our Smith 247 just to darken it all the way back up. I like to go back and forth with my colors to get, that nice little blendy blend. Okay, now that that's all laid down, we can go in with the color Own It. We're gonna go in with the Alamar Cosmetics Flat Shader Brush, and this color is really nice and creamy, so you don't even really need any setting spray on your brush. We're just gonna go right in and place that all over the lid. Oh, look at that color payoff. Yes. And then here on this outer corner, we are going to go back in with the shade No Bullshit. I'm sorry, I'm just laughing at the name. We're going to take that in on the Il Makiage 188 brush, just to blend it in to that fiery orange shade. And boom, we are ready to move on to eyeliner, people. Can you believe it? So today we're going in with the Il Makiage ink liner in black. Sorry, my nose really itches, so, you know, I'm not picking my nose, I swear. And this is a nice pen liner, so you can just really create that wing pretty nice and easy. And then once you have that wing shape, you can just go ahead and fill it in. Boom! And our eye is winged. Wong? Wing wong. Now we are going to move on to the lower lash line while that eyeliner dries. And we're going to go in with the same eyeshadow quad from Il Makiage. This bad boy right here. And we are going to go in with the Morphe E36 brush and the color No Bullshit. And we are going to just dust that on to the lower lash line, keeping it fairly close to the lash line. Since this is a dark color, you don't want to take it down too low. And then make sure it meets the brown of the wing up here. And now to further smoke that out, we are going to take the color Keep Rolling in on a Morphe E18 brush. This color right here. Whew. The stress is real, people. The stress is real. And we're just dusting that right below the darker color to kind of buff out the edges and make it all snook out quite nicely. And boom, we are almost done, people. Let's highlight our inner corner, shall we? Whew, oh my god, I'm just really stressed out today, so I apologize if this video is a tad boring. I feel bored for you, trust me. We are gonna make it through this though, fam. We are gonna make it through this. So I'm going to go in with the Il Makiage single eyeshadow in the color Swag, and their packaging is just beautiful. I mean, how freaking pretty is that? Pretty freaking pretty. And we're going to take that in on a Sigma E30 brush, my favorite inner corner highlight brush, and just highlight that inner corner. Just, you know, to add a little bit more fun and pizzazz. Bing, bang, boom, people. Bing, bang, boom. That inner corner is highlighted. Now we are going to tightline our upper lash line so that the lashes all blend when we apply them. So we are going to tightline with the Marc Jacobs fine liner. And just, you know, stab your eye out a little bit. Woo! Woo! Now we are going to apply our mascara, the Il Makiage Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara in black. This just darkens up the lashes again to help them blend with our falsies. Boom! They darkened. Whew, okay, so while that dries, let's get our lashes ready. So we are going in with the Il Makiage False Lashes, the number 8. We are going to just apply our House of Lashes white glue and let that dry for a minute and then pop these bad boys on, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that our eyes are done, we're gonna move on to some more fun stuff, like contouring the face. So we are going to start off by contouring with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. We're going to go in with this middle shade here. We're going to take that in on a Luxie 512 brush and just carve out them cheeky bones. We are also going to contour the nose with that same shade, but we're going to go in with the Smith E38 brush and just take that down the sides of the nose. And the contour on our nose looks really harsh to begin with, but we'll soften it right up. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, fam, because this looks crazy. And I have eyes. I can see it looks crazy. I'm not stupid. Or am I? So blend that up into the brow area as well. We really went ham on this nose contour today, but it's gonna be just fine. Now let's bronze up the face with some Il Makiage Wannabe Mineral Baked Bronzer. Bougiest. And we're going to take this all around the face to just add some warmth. We're going to take this first on the cheeks with us. I'm just laughing at the fact that I can't talk. With a Japonesque contour and highlight brush. Ooh, yes. And we're just bronzing up those cheeky cheeks to kind of blend out that contour a little bit. This is really starting to bring the whole look together. When you just have eyes on, you feel like you look crazy. You know what I'm saying? You just like, do I even know what I'm doing? But then you put on bronzer and it's like, okay, starting to look less like a crazy ghost and more like a human with some makeup. We're gonna just start to bring this around the perimeters of the face, around the forehead as well. You never want to leave your forehead blank because that's how you'll be looking crazy. You know what I mean? Okay, now that we are bronzed to the gods, let's bake the nose because the nose is looking crazy. We're going to bake the nose with a Morphe E47 brush, and just any translucent powder is fine. I use the RCMA No Color Powder. We're just going to stamp out the nose here, and then just let that bakage sit. Sit and think about what it has done. We are in the home freaking stretch here, people. I don't think I've ever recorded a makeup tutorial so fast in my life. Woo! Okay, I'm feeling more alive now too. So hopefully, you know, pray for me. Fam, pray. So we are going to go in with the Il Makiage Mineral Baked Blush in Toxic. And then let me just swatch this for you because this is amazing. So, oh my god, that pigment. Oh bitch. We are just going to take that on a Sephora blush brush, and I like to tap it into the cheeks. Ooh, yes. And a little goes a long, long way. And I'm bringing it just into the temples too, just to like blend everything out. We are going to just bake underneath our contour with the Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge and some RCMA No Color Powder just to really clean up those edges. Whew, my nose itches. Whew, it's the worst when your nose itches and your makeup is already on. It's like, well, what do I do now? What we do is we highlight, fam. So we're going to go in with the Il Makiage Mineral Highlighter in Satin. Woo. Okay, well, we're spilling, so that's real good, Deborah. Real smart. You are a smart lady. That was a really... Oh my god, there is highlighter everywhere. But you know what? Added a little sparkle wherever she goes. But anyways, we're gonna just highlight with the Morphe M501 brush. Ooh, this highlight is beaming. And I mean, more is more. There's no such thing as too much. So, you know, just go ham. We want that glow from space kind of look. You know what I'm saying? Natural? Who is she? We don't know her. This highlight is beautiful. Boom! Okay, now we are practically done, and I can't believe it. Let's just bake, not bake. We're gonna wipe off the bake, lady. Wipe it off, wipe it off. Okay, we're gonna wipe off the nose bake with this e.l.f. small tapered brush, and that also helps to, what's the word? Soften it. It helps to soften it. And now we're going to wipe off the bakage underneath our cheeks. And that just helps to clean up any slopopotamus work that we did down there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, now all we have to do is lips, and we're freaking done, people. We are going in today with the Il Makiage Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream. It's the color Matte Lord. I'm going to use the Morphe M443 brush as a lip liner brush and use that to line my lippy lips. You want to overline in the center of the lips only and then meet the natural corners so that you don't get that clown mouth, as I like to call it. Okay, and now that our lips are lined, we're going to just fill them in. Ooh, this color is perfection. And boom, people, we are all done with this makeup look. But I'm gonna just go do my hair real quick and put on a better outfit, you know, so we'll be right back for, you know, the closing ceremony. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun watching. I hope you like the makeup look. I really like it, especially like I feel like the lips really tied everything in together quite nicely. Ooh. I think it's kind of vampy and cool. Whew, I was really stressed out while filming this, so I hope you guys forgive me for being like a snooze fest. I feel like I was like really in my head. Woo! So anyways, I really like these Il Makiage products. I think they're a really cool, fun brand. Like I said, they did sponsor this video, but they also said I didn't have to post it on my own channel if I didn't want to, so. Ooh, man, it is hot in here. Woo! So anyways, this may be my most boring video yet, but if you watched till now, then God bless you. Thank you. You are a real one, and I appreciate you. I hope you will check out my other videos and come back next week or so. whenever I happen to get my next video up. And hopefully it will not be as boring. I mean, we can only hope, right? I mean, Lord, I can't imagine it could be, right? I feel like I'm reading pretty orange in this monitor right now. Hello? You know what? Whatever. Whew, let's see. How should we end this video? My mind is still in 1,000 places. I gotta go. Leave a comment below with the most boring thing you could think of, because, oh god, this video is what comes to mind for me. But anyways, I'm really not talking about anything important right now. I've got glitter all over my frickin' desk from that highlight spill. My nose is starting to run. Ugh, sorry, I cannot finish this video without, you know, I mean, what are you gonna do? So I hope you like and subscribe. Leave a comment with the most boring thing you could think of. What does that even mean? I don't know. But if you can figure out what I mean by that, God bless you, by all means. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and not unsubscribing. I'm gonna go try to get myself right in the eyes of the Lord. Many blessings to you and yours, and I G2G, I will TTYL, LYLAS, swag.